Hey beautiful, welcome to my YouTube channel. Starting a skincare journey can be overwhelming, but not to worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll break down the basics of skincare and provide a simple step-by-step guide on how to get started. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button right now. Before we dive into product and routine, it is important that you understand your skin type. We have the normal skin, dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, and combination skin. Now, I want you to take a minute and think about your skin concerns. Do you get oily in your T-zones, or do you experience dryness or flakiness around your skin? Knowing your skin type will help you choose the right product and create an effective skincare routine to treat your skin concerns. Now that you know your skin type, let's build you a basic skincare routine. A simple skincare routine consists of three main steps: cleanse, tone, and moisturize. Now, when it comes to skincare, consistency is key. You don't do your skincare routine in the morning and skip it at night, or you don't do your skincare routine on Monday and skip it on Tuesday. You have to be consistent. So now that you have a basic routine, let's talk about the essential products that you will need. The first one is a gentle cleanser that will not strip your skin of its natural oils. And when I say cleanser, I do not mean your regular bar soap that you use on your body. You should not use the bar soap that you use on your body for your face, because the skin type on your face is different from the skin type on your body. Then the second product is a toner. A toner is going to balance your skin pH and prepare your skin for the other products. Third one is a moisturizer. You pick a moisturizer, they'll provide the required amount of hydration for your skin type. And the last one is a sunscreen. A sunscreen with a broad spectrum of at least 30 SPF and above to protect your skin from UV damage. I would also like you to note that when it comes to skincare, you do not have to break the bank. Start with affordable basic skincare products, and gradually you can upgrade as you become more comfortable with doing your skincare. Now, here are some final tips and reminders that I would like you to keep in mind. Number one, be patient. Skincare is a journey and getting results take time, so you have to be very patient. Number two, stay consistent. Always do your routine morning and night. Number three, listen to your skin. Know when to change your routine according to the response of your skin to a product. One time I was using a product that had alcohol, and every time I use this product, my face would sting me, but I still kept using it because I felt like that's how it was working. Before you know it, I started breaking out so much, and guess what caused it? That product that I thought was working. Last but not the least, stay hydrated. Drink a lot of water, eat fruits, and keep your skin refreshed from inside out. Also, do not forget, skincare is not a one-size-fits-all. Experiment, learn, and adjust your skincare routine as you go. And that's why you also need to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be aware when I drop recommendation and reviews on products that I use on my skin. That's it, beautiful. Starting a skincare journey can be overwhelming, but with these simple steps, you'll be glowing in no time. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more skincare content and tips. Also, don't forget to drop a comment if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!